Hallo Leute, willkommen bei German 101 with Shweta. Welcome to German 101 with Shweta. In today's video, we are going to learn the days, the months and the seasons in German language. Let's begin. Let's start with the days. Der Tag means the day. Montag. Montag, Monday. As you can see, Tag means day, so Montag becomes Monday. Dienstag, Tuesday. Mittwoch, Wednesday. Mitte means middle and die Woche means week. So middle of the week is Wednesday, midweek. Donnerstag, Thursday. Freitag, Friday. Samstag, Saturday. Sonntag, Sunday. Die Sonne means sun. Sonntag becomes Sunday. And what is our favorite weekend called in German language? Das Wochenende. Das Wochenende means the weekend. As we discussed, die Woche means the week and das Ende means the end. So, das Wochenende becomes weekend. And weekdays are called as die Wochentage. Die Wochentage. Let's revise all the days once again. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag und Sonntag. Let's move on to the months. Der Monat means the month. Januar. Januar, January. As we have learnt in the alphabets, the J of English is J in German and it's pronounced like Y, like year. February, February. März, March. April, April. You can see that the spelling is same but just the pronunciation is different. Mai, May. Juni, June. Juli, July. August, August. Again you can see that the spelling is same, similar to English, just the pronunciation is different. September, September. October, October. November, November. Und Dezember, December, December. Let's revise all the months once again. Januar, February, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, Oktober, November und Dezember. Let's move on to the seasons. Die Jahreszeit means the season. Das Jahr means the year. Die Zeit means the time. So different times of the year becomes season. First one is der Frühling. Der Frühling means the spring. And this season lasts from March to May. Then comes der Sommer. Der Sommer means the summer and summer lasts from June to August. Then comes der Herbst. Der Herbst means autumn or fall and this season lasts from September to November. And then comes der Winter. Der winter is winter and this season lasts from December to February. Here are all the four seasons. Der Frühling, der Sommer, der Herbst und der Winter. That's all for today guys. If you like this video then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your family and friends. Thank you. See you all soon.